Losing everything feels like the end, the collapse, the moment where life strips you of identity, certainty, and control. No money, no status, no direction, just silence, and a heavy question sitting in your chest: what now? Most people see this moment as failure, as proof that something went wrong. But what if this is the only moment where something can finally go right? What if losing it all isn't your weakness, but your greatest hidden advantage? Because when everything is taken from you, something rare happens. Illusions break, you can no longer pretend. No more hiding behind comfort, titles, or external validation. The modern world teaches you to accumulate more success, more recognition, more security. But it never teaches you how fragile all of that is. One mistake, one shift, one unexpected event, and everything disappears. The Stoics trained for this mentally. They practiced loss in their minds so they wouldn't be destroyed by it in reality. Why? Because they understood something powerful. When you have nothing to lose, you become dangerous in the best possible way. Osho approached it differently. He didn't talk about control, he talked about awareness. He said that true freedom begins when you are no longer attached to what you have, and losing everything forces that awareness onto you. You are no longer defined by your possessions, your past, or your identity. You're left with only one thing: yourself, raw, unfiltered. And that's where mastery begins. So instead of running from this phase, you learn how to use it. First, you rebuild without illusion. When you start from zero, you see clearly. You understand what actually matters. Not what society told you to chase, but what truly creates value. You stop wasting energy on things that don't move your life forward. Every decision becomes sharper, more intentional, because now you know the cost of distraction. You've already paid for it. Second, you develop resilience that cannot be taught any other way. You can read about discipline, you can watch motivational videos, but real resilience is forged in discomfort, in uncertainty, in moments where quitting feels logical, but you continue anyway. Losing everything removes your safety net, and in that pressure, you either break or you evolve. And if you choose to stay, to fight, to rebuild, you gain something most people never develop: unshakable inner strength. Third, you become independent from validation. When you have nothing, there's no applause, no recognition, no external reward. And that's where most people quit, because they were never chasing growth, they were chasing approval. But if you continue without validation, something shifts inside you. You stop needing permission. You stop needing others to believe in you. Your work becomes internal, quiet, focused. And this is where real mastery grows, not in the spotlight, but in the shadows. Let me show you what this looks like. Imagine a man who built his identity around success, good income, respect, a clear path. And then suddenly it's gone. Business fails, relationships collapse, stability disappears. For the first time in years, he sits alone with nothing but his thoughts. At first, it's unbearable. His mind attacks him. You failed. You lost everything. You're back to zero. But days pass, then weeks, and something changes. He starts seeing things differently. He realizes how much of his confidence was borrowed from money, from status, from external success. Without it, he feels empty. But instead of running from that emptiness, he stays with it. He observes it. He begins to rebuild, not just his life, but himself. He wakes up early, not because he has to, but because he chooses to. He works, even when no one is watching. He learns, even when there's no immediate reward. Slowly, he starts creating again. Small wins, then bigger ones. But this time it's different. He's not attached, he's not desperate, he's grounded. And one day, he realizes something powerful. He's no longer afraid of losing it all, because he knows he can rebuild it. That's the transformation. When you've lost everything and still rise, fear loses its grip on you. You stop playing safe. You take calculated risks. You move with clarity, not hesitation. Because deep down, you know, rock bottom is not the end. It's a foundation. Most people spend their entire lives trying to avoid losing. They cling to comfort. They protect what they have. And in doing so, they limit what they could become. But you've already faced the worst. You've already seen what it feels like to start over, and that gives you an edge no one can teach. So, if you're in that phase right now where everything feels uncertain, unstable, broken, don't rush to escape it. Don't label it as failure. This is your reset point, your training ground, your moment to build something real. Because mastery is not built when everything is perfect, it's built when everything is gone and you still decide to rise. And once you reach that level where your strength comes from within, not from what you have, you become unstoppable. Subscribe to the Root Access for daily transformation.